What you're about to witness is not just a repair. It is a story of resurrection. A hidden art form, transforming the forgotten into something truly astonishing. Stay with us, as a mechanical soul is about to be reborn. The journey begins with a single, daring decision: to see potential where others only see decay. She begins the meticulous process of deconstruction, peeling back the layers of time, one piece at a time. Beneath the rust, a story waits to be told. Each component is carefully removed, catalogued, and inspected. This is a delicate dance between force and precision. The machine's past is stripped away to make way for a new future. The transformative power of fire and passion. A new skin, a vibrant new identity begins to emerge. The astonishing process of rebirth now commences. Each piece is reintroduced, weaving the story back together. The heart of the machine is carefully reassembled. A moment of triumph, a vision taking shape. But the journey is far from over. Every connection must be perfect, every wire placed with purpose. Deeper she goes, into the intricate mechanics, uncovering hidden complexities within the engine's core. The work demands unwavering focus and dedication. Each turn of the wrench is a step closer to revival. In this quiet, rural setting, a masterpiece is being crafted. The engine's soul is laid bare, ready for its renewal. Decades of grind and neglect are washed away. A ritual of cleansing, preparing for a new life. Patience is the most crucial tool in this workshop. Each part is purified, restored to its original glory. The painstaking process of scrubbing away the past. A torrent of water reveals the metal hidden beneath. Sparks fly, forging a new beginning from the old. A brief pause to survey the monumental task ahead. Now, color breathes life into the cold, bare metal. The reassembly demands an artist's touch. A final polish, a testament to her dedication. The engine stands complete, a symbol of her enduring passion. To mechanical heart, a complex puzzle of pistons and gears. With intense focus, she begins the final, critical assembly. Each component fitting perfectly, a symphony of engineering. The internal mechanisms are brought together with precision. The clutch, the nexus of power and control, is installed. The engine casing seals the intricate work within. The timing chain, a vital link, is set in place. The final cover is secured, the heart is now whole. The cylinder head is mounted, a crucial step towards ignition. Precision here is paramount, there is no room for error. The work continues under the open sky, driven by pure passion. The nervous system of the machine is painstakingly connected. The carburetor, where air and fuel will meet, is attached. From the engine to the drivetrain, the revival spreads. The exhaust is fitted, ready to give the machine its voice. Every tiny piece plays a critical role in the final symphony. The lifeblood is added, a final offering to the awakened engine. And with a roar, it rides again, a ghost brought back to life. But for this artist, the work is never truly done. Another challenge always awaits on the horizon. Here, amidst the quiet rhythms of rural life, order is born from chaos on a simple wooden bench. A splash of vibrant color signals a new dawn. The intricate assembly continues, a puzzle of metal and skill. Hands guided by instinct and experience. Even the smallest spring holds immense importance. Generations of knowledge are passed down through these actions. In her workshop, every tool has its purpose, every part its place. Life and work intertwine seamlessly in this tranquil space. The delicate process demands unwavering attention. With a fine mist, a new identity is sprayed into existence. The wheels, once rusted, now gleam with vibrant life. The resurrected parts are laid out, a testament to the work done. The skeleton of the machine is ready to be whole again. The frame, the very backbone, is carefully put together. Modern tools meet traditional techniques. The two halves of the engine's soul are reunited. Piece by piece, the heart of the machine beats stronger. The final, intricate steps of a mechanical miracle. A gentle smile of satisfaction for a job masterfully done. The journey from rust to row is a transformative one. Within the carburetor, a delicate balance must be achieved. The triumphant moment when hard work sparks to life. But for a true artisan, the work is a calling, not a job. A new project begins, a new story to be unveiled. The careful process of revealing the machine's hidden frame. Navigating the complex hub of the motorcycle's electrical core. Every screw loosened is a step deeper into its history. Removing old bearings, the remnants of a past life. The workshop floor becomes a map of the machine's anatomy. She surveys the pieces, visualizing the transformation to come. Towering up the tools that will reshape this machine's destiny. A coat of deep black, erasing the scars of the past. The rear suspension is fitted, the foundation of a smooth ride. The front wheel is mounted, pointing towards a new journey. The handlebars are attached, giving the rider control. The rear frame is secured, completing the bike silhouette. The electrical system is woven back into the frame. A final tightening, ensuring strength and stability. Her creation stands almost complete, a vision realized. The heart of the machine, stripped bare for inspection. Tower tools assist in the heavy work of disassembly. Each bolt holds a story of the roads it has traveled. A glimpse into the internal world of the engine. The old oil is drained, a symbolic purging of the past. With hands stained by honest work, she rebuilds. A clean workspace is the foundation for precision work. The scale of the task is immense, but her resolve is stronger. Meticulous care is taken with even the smallest parts. Slowly and steadily, the engine is deconstructed. Every component is examined for wear and tear. The grinding wheel sings, stripping away years of decay. This is a battle against time and corrosion. The frame itself undergoes a powerful transformation. The clean parts lie in wait, ready for a new beginning. A deep cleansing to ensure a flawless performance. Protective gear is essential when working with these materials. A fresh coat of paint provides protection and new life. The complex puzzle of the engine starts coming together. The process is methodical, a sequence of carefully planned steps. It begins with the lifeblood, the essential lubricant. Each part carries the marks of its previous life. Surrounded by nature, she meticulously purifies each component. In a bath of solvent, the grime of the past dissolves. A close-up reveals the hidden beauty of the machine's gears. The intricate design of a single bearing. Two hands work in harmony to rebuild the engine case. With the mountains as her witness, she works tirelessly. This gear will soon turn, powering a new journey. The piston, the very heart of the engine's power. It is carefully slid into place, ready to ignite. Concentration is key in these final moments of assembly. The precision required is truly astonishing. The rural workshop is a place of incredible transformation. The completed engine, heavy with renewed potential. It is carefully positioned, ready to be joined with the frame. The bolts are tightened, securing the heart to the body. The chassis and engine become one. The handlebars are fitted, the reins of this iron steed. The finished creation stands as a monument to her skill. The final connections are made with a steady hand. The suspension is installed, promising a smooth path ahead. The rear assembly takes shape, completing the form. The braking system is crucial, a matter of safety and trust. The electrical nerves are connected, ready to spark life. In a new setting, the detailed work on the controls begins. The bike's electronic brain is carefully installed. The workshop is clear, preparing for the final reveal. Each part is a testament to her unrelenting patience. The engine receives its oil, the final act before ignition. She takes her seat, ready to test the fruits of her labor. The process of transformation is a continuous cycle. Another forgotten relic is chosen for resurrection. The rust must be conquered before rebirth can begin. The work is demanding, requiring both strength and grace. The old frame is stripped bare, a blank canvas. Under a protective mask, she continues her meticulous work. Day after day, progress is made, piece by piece. Her focus is absolute, her mission clear. This is where art and mechanics collide. The raw sound of metal being reshaped and reborn. Against a backdrop of stunning nature, a new wheel takes its place. The heart of the machine is held, ready for its new home. The freshly painted frame is the foundation for what's to come. A fine coat of paint, a new layer of identity. The second wheel is prepared, balancing the creation. The forks are coated, gleaming and ready for the road. The wheels are mounted, a significant step toward completion. Every surface is given a new, vibrant life. Behind the mask, the eyes of a focused artist. The build continues, a testament to her singular vision. The front suspension is carefully guided into the frame. A hammer's tap, a precise adjustment. The controls are installed, the connection between rider and machine. Every detail is handled with the utmost care. A moment of quiet reflection amidst the tireless work. The final components of the body are brought together. The shock absorbers are secured, ready to tame the row. The fender is attached, a final touch of form and function. The final wiring completes the machine's nervous system. She meticulously connects the final wires. The final adjustments are made with expert precision. Unveiled, a transformative journey from rust to remarkable. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel, Mechanic, for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.